Hey, I'm here at a water damage repair in Newark, and man, did they cut the carpet up, slicing and dicing like crazy. Let's take a look. Water damage happened upstairs. Would you look at this? Okay, so that's one unnecessary seam. So at first I thought, why did they cut the carpet here? Why not cut it underneath the door? There isn't a seam under there, but still would have been a much better place to have cut. Water damage happened right here in this bathroom. Leaked downstairs, ruined the hardwood as well in the lower floor. And we have a door seam cut and carpet cut here. So we've got a 7/16 8-pound pad we're going to put back. They also removed the tack strip around the perimeter. So we're going to clean the subfloor, put the tack strip back, and then go to surgery here, trying to make all this look like it never happened. If you would have done this right, well, probably I would have cut the carpet at the door seam here, just pulled it from the bull nose, and then I would have rolled everything back here, possibly taking up one more seam. So we could have certainly avoided this high traffic area, this seam, as well as right here. So there you have it. Time to get to work. Okay, all finished. Let's take a look here. Yes, sir. Busy day. That was a lot of seam work, a lot of it unnecessary, but happy it all went together nicely. If you're in need of any kind of carpet repair service in the Bay Area, give us a call. Also, if you like that little video trick I did at the beginning of the video, check me out on Instagram, Carpet Repair Guys, and we've got daily content from all our jobs so that you can see the type of work and difference we provide. This has been the Carpet Repair Guys. Josh Nolan signing off.